not prepared for this. Sheepskin will not scratch your tooling.
Okay, so it's the best way to apply.
It's the best way to clean your saddle if you've got it as an option.
Okay.
And I'll give you an example. Let me get it bigger. Easy to surface clean your saddle.
Okay.
Because the sheepskin is like any good dust attractor, it'll just soak in your dust.
Okay.
You
can do that without?
It's like a feather duster for your saddle. It kind of gets all your surface dirt off very easily and cleanly. It also will get into nooks and crannies like this right here, which a lot of people forget to clean back here because it's inconvenient. And it just pulls all that dirt right off. And you can be rather rough with it, and it will not scratch your tooling. A lot of people make the mistake of, when they want to clean their tooling really, really well, they do a lot of elbow grease, which is good, except that they're using some kind of rough cloth, terry cloth, even t-shirt material can actually scratch your tooling because you're putting a moisture product on the tooling, which makes your tooling swell up a little. And it's how you actually tool in the first place. You get the leather wet, and then you make your marks, and then you let it dry, and then you have tooling. But when you put your conditioner, oil, whatever, you are actually introducing moisture product into it again, which makes your tooling vulnerable. So you don't want to use anything that can scratch the tooling, because once that saddle then dries and goes back to its normal appearance, you will actually see what you've done to the tooling if you've been too rough with it. Sheepskin, you can be really, really rough with it. It won't show tooling marks that you've been too rough with it. So when we're just doing surface cleaning in all the saddles in the shop, we just do this, and it's very quick and easy, and I've gotten that much dirt off of it.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And this saddle was cleaned about a week ago.
So that's perfect for just basically getting the dirt off, but you don't want to add like a conditioner to the sheepskin.
Yes, actually.
Okay.
This is what we use for every product we put on the saddle.
Okay.
Because we have access to it. And it's
but you use separate pieces for...
We use separate pieces. Like this would be just a cleaning one because once again, I've now got dirt on this. I don't want to then put cleaner on it and then introduce this dirt, right? But it's just like cleaning anything. You want to start with a clean piece every time. But with the Lexol cleaner, which lathers up like a soap, we use a piece of sheepskin because you can get really deep into the tooling without having to scratch your tooling. You don't have to watch yourself as much. And then you get a new piece of sheepskin, put conditioner on it. You can also use the conditioner piece of sheepskin for the oil as well if you're running out of sheepskin. Because you've already cleaned most of the dirt off of it, you can use the same piece of sheepskin multiple times toward the end.
Cool. Sheepskin is awesome.
Sheepskin is awesome.